All right, so the first one we have is realness with the Paul Bogle feel. I know that person here, you know, a person here they all over Instagram like myself. Yeah. See, you know, I think we came across we cross path in quite a few argument before, me and realness, or we probably agree. But no, I think we battle out on the post for Instagram, me and the realness. 1989 now, bumbleclad. So you have Lakeman from 1983. I know realness 1989. I attack him for the time. Bumbleclad. Lakeman. See that I know. So Lakeman 1983, I know. See? Realness. Realness say, yo, Lakeman, which 1983? 1989 are the thing. Them a fight over time, right? But make we see what realness I say differently. All right, so him tag Lakeman 1983. Then realness 1989 tag Lakeman 1983. I say, who kill a fight? Alkaline, who sing about him want him? Realness, realness 1989 say, who kill a fight? Alkaline, who sing about him? Who sing about him want him all league? Why, who kill a fight? Alkaline, who sing about him want dance and because killer tell him that can't go on in a dance hall, him a fight him. See? So realness 1989 I say. So true killer I show Alkaline say them thing they can't go on in a dance hall about a sing about slicking. See? So him a say that you call fight. Basically when him say him a fight him, you know what I mean? Like realness I say to Lakeman say that you call killer fighting somebody. You know what I mean? So you a realness. Yeah man, a realness, definitely. Me a realness clash over the chronics thing. I have to run them where so now ballad. You go nyam clean first, clean food. Then so him continue realness continue to say no for who know a fish, that's why Lexox and gay gas are two girl. Soft. How many people try fight killer and what killer do? Defend himself. Then so realness 1989 I said look much people fight killer and killer have to defend himself. So basically he must say no killer I fight the people him a defend himself. Then TBJS. I don't know what that. Then TBJS. Oh, this is dancehall. The J is supposed to be an I. Then so this is dancehall, not gospel. Me always say that, you know, say dancehall, not gospel. You get what I say? So me agree with some of our realness say, and me disagree with what him also say with Lexus and Gigas being too gal and them soft. You know what I mean? Because I tell you about the mister, them a gentleman, them perceive the gentleman characteristic, they are part of them moniker.
I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England.
This is my page, and the first post here you see in
Little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off. In a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off. In a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Excellent process. Yeah. Don't bag of money. Yard one a foreign. Game little bird can't tame some stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off. In a frag on me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like cool little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off. In a frag on me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, super fragically, list PSPally, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In a every alley, genitally make Beverly see. Up I do nally, they be clearing that them off me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley, no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, when mad dog. I they left a bad push with a cash card. Money, black card, rich like cool little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off. In a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like cool little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off. In a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough a lie, bad.
Yeah, people. Yo, after I check somebody finish with this, I'm gonna finish, you see me? Cause I got some boom. When I'm done with the post and my vlog about it and upload it after I'm done edit it. I'm gonna go some boom black in Instagram. I say, hold on. I see black the post cause I did end up left Instagram while me screen record that post. Yeah. So when me go some boom and drop black in Instagram upon that post I'm land. I'm gonna go some boom and see the comment section and forgot fake capture the comment section and show some of the comment them. So that one yeah are the part few. See? For the comment section. Now we have TJ in the comment section. I laugh off a bounty. He might laugh off a bounty killer. You see me? Plus 36 other people. You see me? I laugh off a killer cause killer lose. And then I laugh off of the picture with killer in the picture. You see me? And you notice how the picture would make Vegas look much brighter on the side of being more glorious and closer to God. While they make Bunty him look more red and dread. Him look sick, you know, with him throat kind of slim and you see the weight loss in him. You know what I mean? So we are going to drop in the comment section right about now, Zin. So let us tap in. Alright, so I capture one like Zin. What I say, I did predict Mr. Vegas winning this one. You know, as I tell you in the first one, that I did talk about in our previous vlog where I bring up all of the court case them. See? I'm saying, you know, say Vegas, him know what he might do. Him go definitely win because him have a higher possibility. But they make it clear, so I need to get some update on it for can decide, you know, have a better judgment. So this is TJ boss 6 hours ago. Zin TJ the up top boss from the up top camp. Alright. So him get 37 people now laugh off a bounty killer. See? Because why him would have laughing emoji? Who him a laugh off? See? Him a fair laugh off of the loser. You get me? And I laugh for the winner because the winner must a laugh. You get me? I say, and it not really over. See until the fat lady sing because another last at a trial. You see me? Yeah, it's going to trial, bro. So maybe killer for go pay over some money. And at them time the people are gonna hate Vegas, you know. You think people feel sorry for Bunty yet? You wait till when the court said Bunty, you need to pay over 5 million to Mr. Vegas for all the defamatory statements, allegation, and derogatory whatever. Them time the people are gonna hate Vegas. Zin? Cause we see some it already a manifest. So somebody hate for Vegas already a manifest. But this is how you do your enemies. And right. You take them to court. Like RT boss the Spice. You see me? Him get the last laugh. Well, we say Spice try some retaliation. She start some process to try retaliate, but she should, as me tell you, no Spice done from morning. You get me? I say, because she should have never allow RT boss if have the judge rule in his favor. But Spice Duns fail for show up at court and not take the thing serious until you see it. And when it late, she got big up for boy. When when she lose the court case now, see, she go search for the gay youth where she want go live with for things say our internet thing can persuade the judge for go see our live TikTok and say, okay, I've ruled wrong. I never knew. That is dunceness. Go angle it in a court. She a take TikTok, spice thing to TikTok a blood clot court. Freaking fool. You see me? So I can't rate her, man. I don't rate dunce people. For me, I do too much dunceness. And then you vex when people attack, make it even worse. You see me? So the TJ, him get one reply. I'ma just give him a reply 7 minutes ago. See? Now watch that. You notice Kartel no lose film court case. Anything got court for Kartel, You see me? The only thing Kartel do wrong way, him accept him wrong when him kick down Ninja Man. And not even nothing wrong him though, but that is a case where him have to accept him wrong because it wrong for fight. Then so the two people him wrong, and not just Kartel wrong. Ninja Man wrong for you lick him or slap him with the Bible in him chest. You see me? So him a rebuke him. or if you touch daddy devil with the Bible and that boy you rebuke him and you under drugs. You see me I say? So I just saw the thing set. You see me? A Ninja Man started to put hands on Kartel. If Ninja Man never put hands on Kartel, it wouldn't reach kickdown. Then? Yeah, because we already seen Kartel clash with Gringo before in a 2001, before Kartel and Ninja Man clash 2003. So we know the Kartel is not a kickdown type of person. Get me I say? But Ninja Man did high under the supply. See me? So see the one reply to TJ, the up top boss. See? Melissa Moo Young. She start laugh to bust to laughing emoji. And she laugh off a killer. You see it? Now, here we are. Here he. The one Johnny Bravo. Their own ding dong. Him always go find some talk, You see him take that one there from the All English, All England Alexander, what name with the Excalibur, Alexander the Great. Here he. Johnny Bravo, him a legend, When I don't sleep on Johnny Bravo. A years him help for uphold ding dong music because Johnny Bravo have this great bumbleclot, outstanding and eminent sound where him add into ding dong music them and bring much more life to it and make it of greater value than ding dong alone being on it. Because when you hear Johnny Bravo not do the little thing, the big up Johnny Bravo and a good man too, Johnny Bravo is not a evil, wicked people. Them you the me rate we forward from the ghetto. Them people ever only focus on doing what is right. You get me I say? And ding dong ever have him warrior them soldiers round him with him a feed. And that is good when you can take a majority of the youth them out of the garrison. You get me I say? That we want to see. Money in our pocket, that we want to see. We want food in our, that we want to see. You what that we want to see? You see, who sing that? Who said that? Chuck Fender. How much you him take out a blood clot, get one have round him? None. Them bumbo will it have to be a sexy girl when one nyam down to blood clot like Jada Kingdom. You see me, a shame take out a blood clot school. No for them reggae artists, I'm not rate them because look what ding dong, a them balled and platted man, after save the blood clot you them in the ghetto. You get me I say? And then you have one next artist who never give him respect, Conscience. Me always talk about the artists, them were boss artists. And Conscience name ever left out. We never left out Conscience name. Him boss him brother Delos and him brethren Dario. Get me I say him sign Mosquito in a Mosquito early years too. You see me? Big up Conscience to that. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up the artists them will help the youth them, man, and make them can live much better than the one them where I feel get up every day and do 9 to 5 or when I no work. You get me? Because even the 9 to 5 thing stressing, I better you there on some artists and you can smoke anytime you feel like. You can drink away and feel merry. Burn how much girl, burn how much money you want, burn how much things, burn up, you get me? I say, oh yeah, say man, them life they have a grateful for. You get me? I say that's why if the artists them appreciate God, like Kevin Downswell, watch Kevin Downswell interview with Kishima. I'm not see none of them Christian youth, they are pull the youth them from the ghetto and a car on tour. Look how much talented singers we have. We have enough youth who can sing. And if Kevin Downswell enough of them successful gospel artists reach out to enough of them youth who can sing, I'm sure enough of them willing to convert them life. Just to know, say, yeah, them their own a Kevin Downswell, them their own the likes of, Ryan Mark and them youth, the Gaddy prodigal son, enough of them youth there. If them could have pulled enough youth out of the ghetto, out of the hardship all across Jamaica, even one or two, you know, have to do like Ding Dong and pull 20 and do like Kartel and pull 30 and do like Killer for pull them numbers there out of the ghetto and I make them get fed. You get me? I say I can feed them family. You see it? You know, that's why I can't rate enough of them. Nobody come tell me about, because enough of them artists, them a move like them song can't eat. At the TikTok, at the TikTok of them years, that's why I gotta love the TikTok of them too, You see me, we can't bash all of the TikTok of them. Because I in the comment section, I see that I want under a TikTok video, When I comment at them, I say, Una go on like una song can nyam. You see me? Which is true. And that me love with Jamaicans. A long time Jamaicans have said that. People want you for love and rate them and want for look at what they're providing people as something remarkable. When it can nyam. You get me? Give the people them somewhere can nyam. Not just give them your music and talk about positive and love black people and your action corrupt. Move on a bumper clot and a stink. Come here. Like you need that. Chano, come scream it there for me there, you in them ears. You see me? So me said to TJ up top boss, I said people them are gonna eat Vegas now, gear gas, I said, cause the waste boy black me. So I said people them are gonna eat gear gas now. Worse if when the trial done, them go order Bounty for pay Vegas money for the harm he has already done, and Bounty done upon him deathbed. At them time the people are gonna really feel sorry for Bounty. Vegas not see nothing yet. That I said just not too long ago. Alright, so Vegas are black me like a waste man. These artists are fool because me can get them posts from the tropics and be other people where follow them. You get me I say? So nothing lost. I'm gonna need for follow all of them artists I can black all them blood clot one. You get me I say? My numbers are gonna grow, my following are gonna grow. Go sure. I'm sending on down no sour mama, Sure. Watch you now. Yeah, I could scroll. Alright, so you have Lake Man. While Killer boss, but him say boots. While Killer boss no youth career him fight others too. Yeah, my baby, mother again. Mother mean. You see me? Yeah, so we know the comment section. Alright, so the one ya Lake Man, we never did read them, reply them. See? Because we done they talk about TJ laugh off a Bounty, TJ up top boss. Now you have Lake Man, we did read this already, but we'll read it again before we go into the reply them. So the comment section are burn up under the poster. See? So let me see how much likes TJ gone. Let me drop asleep, from 30 to 45 now. You see how fast it a move? So Lake Man 1983, most of them time they born. So him post while Killer boss no youth career him fight others too. Like him fight Vegas, Lexus and more recent Alkaline. Zane? And remember say Mr. Vegas and Mr. Lexus, them have the Mr. So it look like Bounty Killer and I really like the Mr. And that with enough Jamaicans when them see a man with certain status and I move like a gentleman. You know what I mean? Killer enough Jamaicans, them feel threatened by a man of intelligence with them type of, good ways, being a gentleman, because enough of them man nowadays are haggish and wild, and them believe, say, if you're too gentle as a man, with the term Mr. upon your name, you're soft, you're gay, you know what I mean? So, that person, a Lake Man, 1983, I say, Killer fight out people like Vegas, Lexus, and more recent like Alkaline. And Lake Man 1983, I say it's time we separate the art from the artist. I like the line there. Say it's time we separate the art from the artist. And Lake Man continued to say enough of our favorite artists are not who we perceive them to be, which is so true. So damn true. And we are hypocrites as fans too over the years. I am guilty as being a fan of enough of these artists, being a hypocrite, as well as myself supporting them. But I can't be the same when I grow up. I'm supposed to be more mature. I'm going to talk about that all the while. The people need to better themselves all the time. Try to advance, better themselves, personally, educationally, financially. There's always ways to better yourself. There's always room for improvement. You know what I'm saying? So I consider the reply with the people I say about late man 1983 comment. So me I did with laugh below. Watch ya. Alright, so the first one we have is realness with the Paul Bogle face. But know that person here, that person here, they all over Instagram like myself. Yeah. See, I think we came across, we cross path in quite a few arguments before, me and realness, or we probably agree. But no, I think we battle out on the post for Instagram, me and the realness. 1989 now, bumbleclad. So you have Lakeman from 1983. I know realness 1989. I attack him for the time. Bumbleclad. Lakeman. See that I know. So Lakeman 1983, I know. See? Realness. Realness say, yo, Lakeman, which 1983? 1989 are the thing. Them a fight over time, right? But make we see what realness I say differently. Alright, so him tag Lakeman 1983. Then realness 1989 tag Lakeman 1983. I say, who kill a fight? Alkaline? Who sing about him want? Realness. Realness 1989 say who kill a fight? Alkaline who sing about him who sing about him want him all leak. Who kill a fight? Alkaline who sing about him want answer and because killer tell him that can't go on in a dancehall, him a fight him. See? So realness 1989 I say. So true killer I show alkaline say them think they can't go on in a dancehall about a sing about slicking. See? So him a say that you call fight. Basically when him say him a fight him, you know what I mean? Like realness I say to Lakeman say that you call killer fighting somebody. You know what I mean? So you a realness. Yeah, man, a realness, definitely. Me a realness clash over the chronics thing. I have to run them where I say, a ballad. When you go nyam clean first, clean food. Then, so him realness continue to say, no for uno a fish, that's why. Lexox and gay gas are two gal. Soft. How many people try fight killer and what killer do? Defend himself. Then, so realness 1989 I said look much people fight killer and killer have to defend himself. So basically he must say no killer I fight the people him a defend himself. Then TBJS. I don't know what that. Then TBJS. Oh, this is dancehall. The J is supposed to be an I. Then so this is dancehall, not gospel. Me always say that, say dancehall, not gospel. You get what I say? So, I agree with some of our realness say, and I disagree with what I also say, with Lexus and Gigas being too gal and them soft. You know what I mean? Because I tell you about the mister, them a gentleman, them perceive the gentleman characteristic, they are part of them moniker. You know what I mean? So, that's why people think that them soft. Because they're not huggish. They're not the type for grab mic from people. You know what I mean? I think, who did grab mic? I think them say Mr. Vegas did grab mic from Red Rat. Or Red Rat did grab mic. How that go? You know, look it up from there. Or me I go look it up. See? So, maybe at that one time, like, Vegas drag mic from somebody. See? And Red Rat a good youth too, So, even if a Red Rat go drag the mic from Vegas, Vegas deserve that treatment there. Because Red Rat is not a troublemaker. Red Rat humble, and Red Rat know say enough of our dancehall artists, them never like him through him light skin and through him have the girl them. And you know a bad mind our industries. And Red Rat full of love throughout the 90s when him hot him at the hottest thing. Anybody will link with Red Rat them time there. Try know well truly appreciate Red Rat in the 90s. And them artists there for real. Like Mr. G. Mr. G always love Red Rat. Mr. G love artists to overall. I'm boss I do and enough of them. Get me I say? As well as we scatter with Idonia, but Mr. G contribute so much to Idonia and drag him out time place and say, come here, sir, today, make sure you're up here. And I so come scatter get the link too. Because, you see me, Scrum Daily, my virgin carry my scatter, but, you know, the Mr. G thing, him solidify Idonia oh Mr. G. You see me? So now we have, who else now? We have Lakeman attack realness and say, hey, all right, Papa. Because the alkaline line about liquors in a dancehall. So Lakeman did have to laugh. And Lakeman a laugh about the date too, the 1989 for realness name. Zin? So him said, don't get no fight, DWM. I don't know what that. Dumb, no get no fight. Him never tell a producer no work with them. Them want him vice for them. Okay, so late man I say Killer never tell the producer themself enough for vice, must alkaline or other artists. Zin? Because you know what's the business go. Zin? Him never tell a promoter him not do a show if them on it. Yeah. What you think Alliance was created for? A show. Alliance was created for destroy who is against them and who them not like. But as so life go, you have to build a system that forget out some people who sick your stomach. You get make a meaner one. Me if I was out there competing with all foota hype, you think me would want to go up on a show or go up on certain way I'm there. You get me I say? I don't know may do it too. I may just do it. But it depends on the level of where things is at. Sometimes you don't want to do a show with some people on it. You get me? That is just how upset some people can get you in a reality. Get me I say? What do you think Alliance was created for? If Killer rate you, him push you forward. If him don't rate you, him try lock you out. As for what them do in a bed, me no know cause me never did it. Yeah. You get me I say? That is honest. We no business about a man bedroom shit neither. What the fuck business about that? You get me I say? Just don't come put nothing in our face. If we have to see up on YouTube or see up on Instagram and them thing there. Alright, realness attack black again. And say again ya chat every late man 1983. So what realness I say? The realness say again ya chat every because what them say Killer allegedly do that said about many artists even Kartel. So what ya say? I don't understand that what him just say. Again ya chat because what them say Killer allegedly do that said about many artists, evil Kartel. Okay, me understand. So what you say? So he must say every disgraceful comment what them say about Killer, right? Them say it about Kartel. But yet still realness yet Kartel. So all that it shows a realness bias car. Realness is not a Gaza man. See? But yet still we never hear them say Kartel take no dumping on a girl bed. We not hear same bore so young with him tongue. You see me? When I hear Kartel, I drink no June plum. See? And I use as no womb broom come and all type of thing. You see me? Kartel make sure tell you say, none I'm surely big split June plum juice without straw. That one I first thing Kartel tell me in I'm song when him just bust. Say none I'm surely big split or drink June plum juice without straw. Man I kia yaka sami sosa. When you do to little Kim in that the testarossa. Secret pop out a road like bird pop out a toaster. They on the notice board like a poster. Ask him why you do it when you know you shouldn't be doing it. You know, so Kartel is the Dan #1 champion. Alright, so realness continue to say on support Fisher too much. So when people defend straightness on stereotype them, all you are run with a hearsay. But all you are run with to realness a hearsay. You get me I say? Because them call gay gas. We have a step on gay gas. We are grew up at hearsay Vegas step on the tape from 1998. See? And We know say Gaza and a rape, right? And you see who them say grape and bounty back them. Zin? And enough man is like that, like potential kid. But man to no man, the man prefer to na rape. That's what they do, man granny later. Now see man them most of them, you know. See? But them want cuss out other people. When I force themselves in a people and people gal pitting. See? Alright, so Paul Pierce now join the argument and tell Lakeman 1983 say SYM your mother about fight. Maybe you not even like your family at chat. Okay, Paul Pierce him born 89 to like realness. That's why I'm off a side with realness. You know, I'm telling you, the name goes a far way, you know. See, Lakeman him born 1983, but realness and 1989. And now say Paul Pierce at 89, him end up aside with realness. And look at the time, 9 hours ago for match with the 89, the 1989. Him have 666 in his name. When them 39 they turn upside down. I could see if we can get it. Alright, watch this, my people. See that? 1989. So you have 192939, the 9 hour, right? And when you turn them 3 the upside down, you get 6, right? Now watch, I have Paul Pierce. Alright? Paul Pierce. Inside with realness 1989. Remember say Paul Pierce have 89 to pan him name. See the 89 there? See? And 8 hours ago. So him full of 8. See? And him have a 19. Alright. So him tell Lakeman for SY my mother and say you must not like your family. So if the man not like him family, why you tell him about him mother? That not gonna hurt him. You have to tell somebody we love them family. You see it? So the one you know the one you name 19 watch ya 9,662 that V. I don't know if at the future in born, you know, in 10,000 years almost in the future. You see me? He might come from 10,000 years in the future to blood clot, join the war. See him? So him say, not because of him hate pan Lakeman too. Or him a correct Lakeman. I could see what him a say. We know say him attack against Lakeman. See him? So all of them, you know, the Bounty fans, them, you know, Bounty have enough people who feel sorry for him still, you know. So the future man, see him? We're born 10,000 years from now almost, see him? The year of 9,662 V in the future. Him commented hours ago, a tag Lakeman 1983, and I said, not because a person do something for your career gives he or she the right to be bringing down and calling you names which is not right, or saying evil things about you which aren't true. Kartel need to do the same thing as well. Hope him learn a lesson now. 90, yo, that boy you done, sir, that gyal, whichever crap them be, them a alien, you get me? Them come with some far-fetched talking when it makes sense. Alright, Yardy Chris, him say realness 1989. So who shit up Hilton? And blood up the sheet up a Hilton. No man panic as a no board tongue. No man panic as a no board tongue. When you see the nozzle of the 4-4 run, like BATTYMAN son and no slow down. No man panic as a no board tongue. No man panic as a no board tongue. When you see the nozzle of the 4-4 run, like your BATTYMAN son and no slow down. Kid like yam. Yo, what you know? So Yardy Chris said, so who should have been about you? Realness now, realness 1989. Attack Yardy Chris. And I said, this is why you defend gay guys, because you're interested in nastiness. Me no interested for who what a come out and nobody. Go over gay guys page and ask him. Yeah, this is why you defend Bounty, because Angel say he shit up the bed over Hilton. Is that nastiness? Facts. See, enough youth Bounty stop from feeding their family and tell lie on them. He's getting his payback now. Karma hold him. You get me as it? See me a dead with laugh. Yeah, me don't even send nothing. Me no want to say a word for join it. Me just a dead with laugh. See two more people, yeah. Oh, we not see them. All right. Me laugh at realness 1989 comment, you know, we matter about what Bounty Killer fight man we come talk about more people lick out him ass in a dancehall. You see me? And that's why I like the two of them. See that? I like late on 1983 and I like realness comment. You see? But what may I tell you to judge? Instagram, social media, a comedy itself is with the invisible comedian. You see? What you know? Myla, Kingston 30 or K30. See? Vegas in a everybody business, but run Ghana quote when him name call. Big up Bounty General that. You see me? Make we see what others saying. Talk my mind. Do you even know why Vegas brought Bounty to court? Bounty accused Vegas of rape and even posted a woman on social media claiming Vegas raped her when she was a child. I forgot. What side a true? Zin? Yeah, a true. Vegas raped her when she was a child, when in reality the woman is way older than Mr. Vegas himself. So Vegas took the matter to court. I guess some of us expected Vegas to just sit down and allow Bounty to defame him again. Alright, you see, Bounty a low company. Because through him get exposed as a grapist and him a protect another big grapist named Richie Stephenson, him want now come pin something on Vegas for say Vegas you have the same thing because evil and misery are look company. So that's why me a support Vegas on this. Me don't tell no so the court I go side with Vegas in a film favor, right? And them already the case not done, you know, trial not done, and them already the court already in placed an injunction from Bounty by restricting him from call up Vegas name. Zin and any defamatory statement, him can't say nothing about him can't say nothing about Vegas. And Vegas can talk about Bounty, you know. Zin? I will know say in a court, Vegas right now a present him document where him have with a girl where Bounty go get pregnant when him at 20 and she was just 14. Zin? So yeah. So I guess some of them expected Vegas to just sit down and allow Bounty to defame him again. So B Terry attack talk my mind. Zin, we not see Myla forward block. We make the first statement. So we say B Terry now say, so why Mr. Vegas didn't sue the woman, the interviewer or the others on YouTube that propagated the story? Because Bounty had a bigger platform. You know understand? B Terry, go one side. Vegas sue me to match. Now this is Will Ryan Wilson. Him popular in a comment section. I don't know why I'm don't go build a page and vlog. Him I don't know. Comment section not really bring enough fame, you know. It can, but it gonna take long. You see it? So I could see the reply them. I tell you say, yes so hot. Will Ryan Wilson a defend Bounty. See, because an old school Bounty fan. So Colin the one attack Will Ryan Nelson and say, why would you say that? Which is true. Why would he say that when Bounty was obviously bashing Vegas for years and I try to stop him food and I diss him and Vegas not pay him no mind. So now is the time for Vegas. Karma is a bitch, they say, you know what I mean? And Vegas time now to take down Bounty. And he might take down Bounty when Bounty is sick and everybody concerned about Bounty health. And the worst thing for each and Bounty don't have Kartel by his side. For said Jano Star. Again, yeah. Kartel have Vegas by his side more than Bounty to blood. I remember say Vegas make two big attack for the Gaza and this mosquito over Antigua. And say, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. Well, as Vegas see say Bounty pull out of the Gaza, Vegas running right on time. Vegas a play chess. You see me and Bounty they expect what go on, expect it. The movement them. So Jamaica 29 also attack Will Ryan Wilson. Say no Bounty meet him match. You see me? See 90 the year the brother from the future, the person from the future, right? This person from the future, 10,000 ahead of us, 10,000 light years ahead of us. Alright? Him or she or whosoever commented, you believe it, right? For Bounty to be saying whatever he wants about the artist against his career and get away with it, Kartel should be doing the same thing and you see what would happen. Because it to know Kartel has never replied to him and dragging his name and career all over the place. Now Vegas can only win if all that he said about Bounty and Grape is also true. Yo, me tell you, why the futuristic person always a bring up Kartel name? I saw enough of them walk around with Kartel name in their mouth, you know, and sit down on him name like back pocket rag through. Him like he up them a sing about fab. You see me? Jaja. Realness 1989 said, Dunce, this is Dancehall, you fool. It's a battlefield. You see me? A battlefield. Hot, hot, hot. Jamaican a TikTok. Beware. When another don't drop, Rasta man not tell the youths them follow the Glock. Beware. And now the shot that attack and them no care. And them beware. Now the cops start attack and them a bust it and the youth them a forget the flat. Beware. And now the attack and them no care. Oh, it's a shame to see brothers killing themselves. Like energy. My mothers put on the shelves and wasting energy. We're putting it on the shelf. All we need is brain food and brain food for our health. So don't you get on meditation. And don't even go to medication. And we could make a change to elevation. Cause we could use the motivation, my Lord, beware. Now they start attack, and all the youths them follow the Glock. Beware. Now the cops start attack and them no care. And them a shot in your papa, beware. When the man start attack and them a shot in your face and make you load the Glock. Beware. And Taurus Riley attack and them no care. No. Hey, but long time I not hear that song there. I don't know. I want to see writer some bring out that song there. When him said done, big up realness for that. Cause I never remember that Taurus Riley song there. Last time I hear that song there probably about in 2007 to blood. Cause watch out. Realness said, Dance, this is Dancehall, you fool. It's a battlefield. Hot, hot, hot. Jamaican hot. Yeah. You see it? Beware. Alright, so Akila alone said things about gear gas. See, Kartel disrespect. Everybody love Kartel names. So Kartel disrespect and defame enough artists. Even Killer should sue him. Kartel get it from the father. You see me? So the father saw the son. You get me? Yeah, man. Kartel get it from the father. Can crush your career. Kartel wipe out enough boy career still and girl, you know. As if you have them powers there. You need them powers there. Because God, as so God powers going can wipe you off of the face of the earth. You see me? God can make you start suffer. You see me? So Kartel a God. You see me? Who go against the God, them a go suffer. You see me? And get miserable and can't live in peace like alkaline. You see me? Kartel take with alkaline joy and vibrantness. Because when alkaline just about him vibrant, love the camera, love interview, talkative, until him go test the gas and you see him get miserable and start run from interview, run from the camera, start hide. You see me? So that waste boy a realness 1989 I call up Kartel name, but Kartel disrespect and defame enough artists. Even Killer should sue him. You're bright. You did see Killer grape anyone for know a true. You know see the bird paper. You a fool. And a Kartel for sue Killer for this him. You see me? Should Killer sue you now, idiot? You follow fish, because him hate Killer. You want Killer dead? That time him Dunce. Yes, so when I tell you, them as a Vegas want Killer dead. You see me? That time him Dunce or else him would have sue all who would defame him. Name also, so it's personal, idiot. Yeah, this is their enemy till death. And I just saw it go. We all have enemies in life, all you too. But we are watching dancehall artists and people now watch them own life. I saw life go, it's all David against Goliath. And sometimes good people war with good people, because good people sometimes slip up. But them become remorseful and them accept them failures and them fault. Some people can't do it because it is hard for evil people to do good as well as it is hard for good people to do evil. Get what I say? Now, do you even know why Vegas brought Bounty to court? Bounty accused Vegas of rape and even posted a woman on social media claiming Vegas raped her when she was a child. Well, in reality, the woman is way older than this. It's not Vegas himself. So Vegas took the matter to court. I guess some of you expect Vegas to sit down. Hello, Bounty. Him already typed this comment already. Christopher McPherson. I think I know that person. The name Christopher McPherson. So now him always a call up Rodney name. See? As Rodney get road name in him name to Blood North. And Mr. Vegas I give him shame. See me? We can't see the reply to that. So Lonely Richard say Vegas so meet him much. Yes, this is dancehall. If you can deal with, go get a 9 to 5 job. If you can't deal with it, that he mean for say. But he might contradict himself, but Vegas so meet him much. And this is dancehall. So I'd killer if you tell say this is dancehall, and if him can't manage them thing, him for go get a 9 to 5 because a long time I tear down Vegas and Vegas never did file no court case and all these things. You see me? For silence nobody. Vegas been through the fire, through the flames, and he live. And Lexus big. You see me? And Lexus did. Yeah. Lexus did. Yeah, so what you know? That's why I rate Kartel. Say all I want about him. Say all the way you want about him. But him now look for you. Exactly. This is Sexylus Michi. I want to them. I want do them. I don't know what do them. Watch a 9 reply for the Gaza boss. Bounty and Vegas situation different though. Got SYM your mama Michibo. You see me? How Kartel reach your sub? You know, see the bag of comment them I call up Kartel. Dewey and Chelsea. Waste boy. Oh no make look like God. Yeah man, your bad mind Kartel a God, you idiot yo. Waste man Dewey and Chelsea. He's a bitch. Waste boy. He's a fish. But you know, earthly 150, I tell Duane, at least he's better than white Jesus, exactly. British give with your bad mind self. God mean higher elevation. God is title, not a person. Dumbass. Exactly. Yes, man. Duane Chelsea, I said what I said. Exactly. Bunty need to go look at life. You know the things where Indo Vegas in the past. Yeah. Tycoon the motivator tell earthly teach them please. Alright, yeah. Gaza Tycoon say the motivator. Talk my mind, drop another comment here again. What you mean man? Look Pauno, Kartel no in a comment section every day at trace people. That are true. You see me? Sexylus Michi, them tag B Terry, drop your to the whole of them people you are working on comment, you know. See, B Terry did make a comment earlier. Now B Terry attack Sexylus Michi and say, did he unalive Vegas like Lizard, like Kartel did Lizard? With speculation, all type of accusation. But Bunty lose him court case, Kartel beat him court case, you don't spot you. That means say Bunty lose is a loser. See, and Kartel a winner. Kartel never unalive nobody. But ask Leng about that and corrupt police them and the injustice system of Jamaica. See Sexylus attack B Terry there, but what unalive have to do with what I'm saying. Sometimes uno talk a little too much. God alone can be his judge. How much baby dirty your aunt your night? How much belly your dash will be Terry? Stinking rich. Stinking rich. How much belly your dash way? That's true, man. She look like she dash her belly too, you know. Make a look for her. B Terry look like she really dash her belly. The universe has shown me. See there? She block her page, watch it. You can tell. Look at her two bosom on it. Lean with it and I rock with it. And then her belly, she can't show her belly. Isn't it? You know dash with no belly. And you know walk in cemetery. You know no pitney. Yeah, me never kill no pitney from your born yet. Some girl goes if I never. Child, some of them are scattered. Think them in heaven, but them living in hell. Alright now. Hey, girl, yeah, Milton Bad said these two big old men hate each other and still a cause after all these years. All because a girl. Them a no girl is for real. I can never tell a lie. Them a no girl is for real. Kartel are the biggest girl is in a dancehall. And Alkaline can't be no staple for your talk about nobody who a girl is because I'm not breed nothing yet. You see me? And him have money. Breed a girl and take away your youth from them. You see me? Yeah, man, a easy thing, man. Tell a girl, say, yo, you're ready for breed her, and you are responsible for the youth. You got the youth. Don't left these girl with their youth. Well, if Alkaline get for breed a good girl, him can make she have the youth, because if she loyal, if a good girl. But some of them girl are dog. Yo, Don't trust them in the youth. You know much of them youth yeah, get drop on them head. That's why them chat so much rubbish now where they are cuss them and I blame them. I say them dunce. I drop them get drop on them head, you know. Andrew Wellness Pet. Yeah, Andrew Wellness Pet. Vegas him win. Alright. So Milton Bud get some reply from 281 Harass Web. Say all, you know I go all. What foolishness. Okay then, these two young boys hope that's better. Yeah, Milton Bad. Age is honorable, never use it to shame. The man not shame them with no age. The man I say them up in a age now, them feel better than that. What the fuck wrong with what the man say? Like the man not for talk about them age. You know, for look on them not big old grade old man. How the ras do no? Milton Bad, age is honorable. Never use it to shame anyone. Them don't see man. So you know them weak. Cause if somebody for say that about them and them age, them start cry. That's why you see them a cry already for bounty. I wasn't even thinking about that when I made my comment. In fact, made a sarcastic comment. You see it too personal. See? And then that 281 harass web. Why you name harass? You love harass people. Think before you write next time. Have a good day. Go suck your mother, harass web. Milton Bad, you were rock with. The first ice cream man when me know as a baby, when my mother used to always have to stop him for buy ice cream. And sometimes she beg him for ice cream too, because we really poor. And Milton did rate we as youth, as baby, as a little boy. Milton are the first ice cream man. And guess what? Unalive him? AIDS. AIDS unalive him. Milton, the ice cream man. Him used to ride around in a Pembroke Hall when me just born. And I sell ice cream before me even born. In a Pembroke Hall, Wall of Kingston 20 for century. And I hate skill Milton. You know, that's why I grew afraid of AIDS, you know. That's why I'm not frightened for sex again. I start sex from me about 13. See? Up to when me in my 20s. And then it's like I find a harder gear when me in my 28. See? And when me in my 28, at the first time that a girl go back my face. You see me? And that's what me know about back fist now, you know. That time in the year 2008, you know. Seeing? When me a girl just back my fist. Me never know say you could have back your fist and it fire juice. I swear, in a 2008, me know that. For sure you say I wasn't any freaky animal or any sex like any, you know, lustful. But now you have some 19, some 16, some 15-year-old you them. What? Them love back fist and love the sex thing. You know what I mean? But me never know about back fist until a girl do it to me in 2008 when me at 28. About that, I'm not sure. You see me? So, let's see. There was no thinking needed. It's about having a sense of humor. Good day to you also. Yeah, Milton Bad, the first ice cream man I know. Big up me your soul, rest in peace, Milton. The first ice cream man that I know, for telling you, that must mean something to us as kids, you know. How much I remember the first ice cream man where as Pitney we used to love certain hustler where them have the things we love as kids. How much I want to remember the first ice cream man we'll never know. Milton was the first ice cream man. You see me? Nah, pass a place. Well, sometimes would have pass a place because our mother don't have no money all the time and our mother not pest people. Few times should have beg him, yes. Or if she there a road outside of the gate and him a pass, him would have bless you up. Because he's a kind man. And you know black then people kind. See? And I just can't believe the AIDS killed Milton daddy. You see me? Milton there cut the whole sugar hard, you know. You see me? Enough boy love my mother and want my mother and can't get her, you know. I'm glad my mother pretty from my born. You see me? My mother the hottest girl from know myself. You see me? No joke. You see me? Yo, rest in peace, Milton. First ice cream man that when me a baby. Me I tell you about probably the man they I provide with ice cream from me at probably about 2-year-old. The man in the community from before me even born I hustle ice cream I ride up and down. You see me? Milton, anybody know him, man? You see me? Anybody know him? Them have to be elders too. Because I not judge know. Yo, I forgot to end this because I remember Milton, General Star, Mr. Wang and Mrs. Wang, Andrew Wellness Pet. I can't go in no more of this. I remember Milton people. Brought my vibes. Now take care. Rest in peace.